From the tech department. Oh, did you see that? Hey, if you've been through the other spray issue videos, still not spraying right, might be the pump. Come on, let's have a look. Might be the belt though. Could be a simple fix. I'm gonna start by loosening these screws. I've loosened them a little bit already, so yours might be a little tighter. This is your B block here. I'm going to slide this whole assembly up. It should come right out of there. I'm going to lift the hood up and out. That's out of the way. Here's your accessory belt. What you want to check for is tension on this. That's perfect. See how much tension is on there? Now, if you can push down way far with your finger, this nut back here, if you can see it, this is the adjuster for the pump. So you loosen this nut, you slide the pump forward, slide the pump back. As you push that pump back, you're putting more tension on this belt. So it could be as simple as it just being a loose belt. I've seen that before. But if you've tried everything else, more than likely it's your pump. That's right here. Good news is we've got them in stock at PermaGreen. Here's the part number for the pump if you need it. You can call our parts department, 1-800-346-2001, and order that pump or any other part that you need from PermaGreen. We've got them all in stock.